Hi y'all, Karma here. It's so great to see you today. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome. I hope that you'll want to subscribe to the channel and become a part of our holistic healing community. We're growing and sharing comments and learning from each other, and I'm having so much fun getting to know all of you through the comments. If you're returning, welcome back. So glad to see you again. Today we're going to be opening the Crystal Council box. And you know that the Crystal Council box is one of my favorite crystal boxes. It is a monthly subscription box, and some of the levels are customizable. Now I will have to admit that after receiving it for almost a year, the customizable options are always the same, so I'm not quite sure how customizable it really is. Some people say it's really not. But that being said, I haven't gotten any of the same stones in this box, and I'm really enjoying everything they send me. So whether or not it's really specifically customized or not, that's okay with me, at least for now. So Crystal Council is a monthly subscription box. There are several different layers. There's the Seeker box, which is one crystal for $15 a month. The Apprentice Box, which has 2 large crystals, 2 medium tumbled, meditation tools and trinkets, and is customized, is $33 a month. The Master Box, which is what I get, and what we'll be opening here today, has 5 large crystals, 2 medium tumbled, meditation tools, trinkets, scroll, and is customized, and is $65 a month. Then they have the Magister box, which is 4 extremely unique and rare crystals over a $200 value for $115 a month. The rest of the subscription information is in the video description below, along with the link. If you do end up getting this box, let me know what you think of it, and let me know that you subscribed from seeing it on our channel. We don't get anything through that link with you subscribing, so it's just a matter of sharing my love of crystals with you. So before we get into this month's box, let's talk a little bit about what we got in last month's box. In last month's box, we received the Throat Chakra Tea, and I have not used that. I put it in the Throat Chakra box because I'm going to be making videos in the future for each of the chakras using the items we got in the chakra box itself, as well as other boxes and other items that I've collected to do a thorough video of different exercises and things you can do for the chakras. We got the Intention Seed paper, the Tree of Life sticker, the blue Argonite raw chunk, and oh, such a beautiful color blue. The pink tourmaline raw chunk, and that was a big, beautiful piece of pink tourmaline. It's actually the second piece that I've received of tourmaline from my crystal boxes this year, and it was very different from the first one I got, but absolutely beautiful as well. And it just has such a nice, peaceful, calm energy to it when you meditate with it. We received the Noonderite Tumbled Stone, the Black Obsidian Small Tumbled, the Hypersthene Small Tumbled, and the Garnierite Palmstone, and that is so beautiful. It puts off the most calming, peaceful energy when you're holding it or when you're meditating with it. And then we got the Faden Quartz, and you know how excited I am about Faden Quartz. I'm starting to do some distance healing with Faden Quartz and other gems where clients will send me a picture with what they want to work on, and I'll do some crystal gridding on their picture to send them distance healing and help them with some of the struggles they may be facing. So let's get right into it and start opening our Crystal Council box. So when you open the box, on the top you've got your little postcards that I'll show you, and your scroll that comes each month, and then everything else is tucked away down inside there, well wrapped in bubble wrap, and most of the time they are also very well labeled, which is nice. Now, one of the strengths of this box is that it does give you a description of all the stones that you get with their metaphysical properties, so that you don't have to go look those up yourself. Sometimes I still do look them up in my books because I want to see other things other than just what they said. But this is a great box because you have everything you need to go and to work with your stones. So first we have a pretty card. It's a pretty mandala on the back and their newsletter. Thoughts are powerful things, more than we can ever understand. We shape our reality every day by the feelings and thoughts we carry with us. The energy released by these thoughts can control every aspect of our lives, from interactions with our friends and families to the outcomes of our goals. Each day, we are given a clean slate to start fresh with the new loving thoughts and ideas. Take advantage of your life and create the reality you want to start living tomorrow, today. The Crystal Council. Lunar events, it's the full pink moon on April 26th, and the zodiac transitions. April 20th is Taurus, and we passed my birthday. I'm an Aries, so we are in my month. Aw, fueled by happy thoughts, just a cute little postcard. That'd be nice to put up somewhere, or you could use it as a postcard to write to someone during these COVID times. Reach out to them. I know a lot of people are really struggling right now, especially the elderly that are kind of still stuck in their homes and feeling more isolated. So that'd be sweet to reach out to them. Then we have, this must go with something. I'm going to wait to show you that to see if that goes with something. So here's our scroll for the month. And when you open it up, it says, High Karma of Ominit. April is upon us. When we most think of April, they think of rain. The dreariness that rain brings can also affect us all. But it's through the rain that brings us the flowers, the warmer weather, and most of all, life. Watching Mother Earth awaken from her winter slumber is an amazing sight to see. The changing of the seasons is a long process. It's not just a snap of the finger. Use the stones in your box to give you all the power and energy you need to make the necessary changes while at the same time enjoying the growing process. This month, we've crafted your box around sleep, meditation, happiness, calming, patience, and balance. And those are the things that I chose. So there's the newsletter, or there's your little scroll, and then it gives you each of the stones that you received. So, personal growth is a process that isn't always pretty, but there will be rainy days where you feel both defeated and lack of drive. But remember, with rain comes flowers, and with hard times come good times. Enjoy where you are, because when you look back on your growth, it's a beautiful sight to see. The Crystal Council. So I'll read each of those gem descriptions as we pull out the gems, but that gives you an idea of the personalization. So this one doesn't have any label on it, and I think it goes with that card I pulled out. So let's see. Oh, how cute. So animal totems have kind of been a thing in the boxes that I've been getting this month. He's so cute though, right? Don't know what he is. Maybe a buffalo? He's got all the hair around his neck. So pretty. So here's the little card that I saw. So I guess it is a buffalo. Why are you not focusing? Maybe I'm just not seeing clear. And it says, the buffalo as a spirit animal symbolizes abundance and brings strength, stability, and gratitude. It signifies a time in your life to explore what surrounds you and test your boundaries. A buffalo is a totem animal, aligns with earth-centered and selfless souls, and helps one connect with Mother Earth. I'm going to have fun working with that. I will put it with that other cat animal totem that I received in one of my boxes and work with both of those, especially during this month and next month. Celestite, I guess, is a thing this month too. I've gotten a couple of Celestites in the last little bit. Hope that's focusing well enough for you to see. Oh, very pretty. The Celestite comes from Madagascar,
and activates the upper three chakras, including the etheric. These chakras are responsible for higher knowledge and understanding. Meditating with a piece of celestite over any of these chakras will allow one to enter a lucid dream state or astral travel. Due to its working at a higher vibration, celestite also offers the ability to intercept messages during these meditative states.
All right, what's this? This looks like a mica. Maybe a mica? Ooh, super pretty.
Muscovite is a high vibrational mineral that has similar energies to that of barite. Your mental capacity will become more clear and even expand when working with this crystal. This is in addition to the activation of many unique psychic abilities. One's brainwaves will be able to ascend and attune to these energies of the gods and reach higher dimensions with the endless knowledge of yourself and the universe. This plane is where our guardian angels and spiritual advisors reside, studying our decision-making in this multidimensional realm. One is able to communicate with these deities through deep manifestation, as well as tapping into and channeling the energies of certain powerful stones.
Wow, that's gorgeous. Ooh, so pretty. I'll pull out our two little polished stones. They don't ever excite me quite as much, but
Crazy Lace Agate is a stone of transformation and chakra realignment. The banding in this agate, and all agates, is an overlooked energetic addition to this stone. Banding is a sign of free flow in nature. Life was able to form, shape, and mold exactly how it was wanted in our early ages. This is something that we often lack ourselves, the ability to shape our own life without external restrictions. The pressure from our loved ones, as well as the common culture this world has developed, can lead one's own priorities to come last. As you grow each day and continue this extremely toxic pattern, you will never notice that this life has fallen within the hands of every person around you except yourself. This is dangerous beyond measure, and if left unchecked, can result in permanent damage to the mind, body, and soul. We will all be faced with the decision to eventually break away from the societal norms. Crazy Lace Agate shows you the ledge to jump off and start your life again.
this is really pretty too. Lots of different coloring in it.
Bolivianite is a relatively new crystal to us, so we're learning more and more about this stone each day we work with it. We can assure you that this stone contains powerful calming and balancing energies. This will allow one to fully ground themselves into Mother Earth during deep meditative sessions. As your intentional roots begin to expose themselves and dig deeper into our planet, one will soon notice newly found levels of openness and acceptance. Thoughts and ideas which may have seemed so foreign will now begin to fill your mental space. Physical energies you may have not known existed will begin to spew out and fuel your inner willpower.
All right, what do we have next? An amethyst, same thing. I got an amethyst in the other box too. Funny. Oh, this is a pretty little piece like on Matrix. It's got some gorgeous coloring to it.
Amethyst is beneficial when placed beneath your pillow or on top of the forehead as you rest. It elevates one into a higher dream state in which you will have more memory and a better understanding of your dreams. Amethyst bridges the gap to help understand what our dreams mean physically. Placing this piece atop your nightstand or somewhere in your bedroom will help purify the environment.
Okay, two more. Green apatite. Oh no! Oh no! I feel little pieces down in the bag. Aw, it bulked.
Green apatite is a very calming and soothing stone that activates and aligns our third eye, throat, and heart chakra. This stone pushes one to have clearer communication skills and speak with wisdom from the mind and love directly from the heart. Green apatite works with your emotions and helps strengthen them to reduce any overwhelming emotional during difficult times or environments.
I did want to interject right here. I did write to them about the broken stone. They responded immediately, and within 2 days, I have my replacement. So I wanted to show you the replacement. The green apatite. And all I did was email them with a picture of the broken stone, and they sent me right out a replacement. They've been really responsive and good that way if there was any problem. Very pretty. So, brand new one, all perfect. Such a nice, they give you, I love when I get Palmstones. They fit in your hand so nice and they're so easy to work with. I really enjoy them. So when I take the picture of the box, I will replace it with the one that's not broken. And last but not least, and I know what this is, and I've wanted one. I've actually, for about 6 months, been really wanting one of these, and they're fairly expensive when I looked at them, so yay! Oh my gosh.
The Shiva Lingam aids in understanding the polaric energies such as light and dark, or spiritual and physical. It helps bring total opposites together in perfect harmony, thus causing one to feel complete balance when grasping the stone. Meditating with Shiva Lingam will help balance the mind, especially with strong, overwhelming emotions. This stone helps promote prosperity and joy into any household it is placed in.
Isn't that pretty? And look how big it is. And a nice egg shape, which is what they are. Ah, that's gorgeous. It'll get packed up because I'm packing everything up for Colorado, but I can't wait to get to Colorado and get all my stones out and displayed. We have a beautiful little library room, and I'm going to put stones on all the shelves. I'm so excited. Yay! Oh my gosh. Okay, so this month we received the amethyst, the celestite, the crazy lace agate, the Bolivianite, the Muscovite, the green apatite, the Shiva Lingam, and I'm super excited about the Shiva Lingam. That's probably my favorite, although I don't know, this one's just gorgeous too. And it's just so fun to just look at. Looks like a snowflake or something like that. So pretty. Okay. Well, what did you think of the Crystal Council box this month? Let me know if you get the Crystal Council and if you got any of the same stones. That's one of the fun things, is I can go watch other people Crystal Council box because we all got different stones. Same thing with my Enchanted Crystal box, and it just makes it so fun to go watch other people and what they received. I hope you enjoyed your time with me today. If you did, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and come back often to the channel where you can say, Karma's my friend. Bye, y'all.